everybody, welcome back to today's video. This is Marybeth Angelelli. I'm going to be talking to you here about America's #1 residual income system, where you are going to be in a position to have the potential to potentially earn $1,000 to $2,000 residually for every referral. This is referred to as Money Order Freedom, MOF, aka MOF. It's owned by ABM, American Bill Money, who does all of the follow-up and selling for you. And this has the potential to bring in for you thousands every week with unlimited income potential, okay? Now, for illustrative purposes only, these are a couple of income examples. Very simple. Again, illustrative purposes only. We cannot make any claims, any promises, or any guarantees of income with the Money Order Freedom system. Just showing you what is potentially possible, okay? And a lot of it's going to hinge upon your ability to commit to the process and remain consistent with your marketing efforts. You can do this program online, or you can do this program offline. It can be done 100% online. It can also be done 100% offline. You can combine the best of both worlds, like what I've elected to do, and promote it and advertise it both online as well as offline by mailing these simple postcards, folks. These work very, very well. They're very high response postcards. This is the high ticket postcard system owned by American Bill Money, okay? This is the card I have been using. It's beautiful, okay? People love it. They respond very well to it. It'll have your MOF, Money Order Freedom number, on the front of it. There is the website right there, okay? It's beautiful. It's double-sided, okay? As you can see right here, there is the double side, the other side where you can learn how to create your own stimulus. Simple, folks. No learning curve involved. Anybody can mail one of these simple postcards. All you do is you order these through the company. They ship them directly to you. Stamps. All you need is a postcard stamp in the upper right-hand corner. See, sorry about that, right up here. And then you put a pill and stick lead label, address lead label right here on the back of the postcard. And then all you do from there is drop these in any mailbox. You can mail these out from your residence. You can drop them in any blue mailbox along the way in close proximity to where you reside. Or you can deliver these to your local USPS. Completely and totally your choice, okay? These work very, very well. All right. These have great, great mass market appeal because it's very simple and there is great potential, and people love high ticket postcard programs. These really sell themselves. These days, we're now in 2025, folks, a brand new year. Everybody is out there wanting and needing more money. Not to mention tax season's right around the corner. So this is what drives up the high ticket direct mail order season, okay? The direct mail order boom season this time of year. New year, New Year's resolutions, tax season, okay? So there's never been a better time or better place to consider a high ticket postcard program. So imagine yourself earning examples just like this. Again, illustrative purposes only. We cannot make claims, guarantees, or promises of income. But there's a 2-year subscription option that you can choose from. There's also a 1-year subscription that you can also choose from, okay? So the choice is completely up to you, whatever is best in alignment with your resources and with your future income goals, okay? Income examples of everybody referring just 3 customers, each through 3 levels, every 2 years, 42K. 5 customers through 3 levels, every 2 years, 160K. And 10 customers through 3 levels, every 2 years, a little in excess of 1 mil, okay, as you can see right here. That's what the 2-year subscription income examples. The 1-year subscription income examples yields these type of results for illustrative purposes only, just to share with you some potential, okay? Income examples of everybody referring just 3 customers, each through 3 levels, every year, 12K. 5 customers, each through 3 levels, every year, 42,500. And every year, 10 customers, just 10 customers, each through 3 levels, 285K every year, okay? Money Order Freedom, aka MOF, can set you up for the potential to start receiving unlimited $1,000 money orders It's owned by American Bill Money. They've been in business since 2003. Okay, so a little over 22 years, going strong, proven history, proven track record. It's really time for you to come inside, take a close look. You'll come through my website. You'll enter your details. You're going to be redirected right here. And in the description, I have provided the link to my website. All you have to do is complete it with your specific information. Hit the button. You're going to be redirected right here. Okay? So it's time for you to get excited, take action. You want to get started, you go right here to the magic blue button to get started, and you'll just follow the instructions. They're all listed. I'll show you before I conclude today's video exactly what that looks like. Here's the many, many, many benefits of money order freedom. It's a simple, proven system. Anybody can do this in their spare time. No learning curve. Everybody, including you, can mail a simple postcard, folks. You just order these from the company. They ship them right to your front door. You can even order your postcard stamps online. They'll be shipped right to you, right to your mailbox, and you can order your pill and stick lead labels. Okay, and they'll be shipped directly to you, directly to your mailbox. And you just take your postcards out. You put a postcard stamp in the upper right-hand corner. Just apply it. Very simple. And a pill and stick address lead label with the individual's first and last name, their street address, their city, state, and zip right in the spot. And you can drop these in any mailbox, including your very own, folks. You can literally do this right from the comfort of your own home without even having to leave your house. Very, very, very simple, okay? 24/7 marketing system. They literally do 90% of the work for you. Products and services to help you build your income anonymously, if that's the way you wish to do it. Unlimited income potential. They have paid out millions since 2003. Money orders are accepted, as well as cashier's checks as well. A+ rating with the BBB, Better Business Bureau. 22 plus years in business, truly have withstood the test of time. They will close all your sales for you. They'll do all the follow-up by text, by email, and by voice, by voicemail, by voice drops, okay? Powerful 3-level pay plan. Unbeatable residual leverage, okay, awaits you. So before you watch the video, you want to take about 5 minutes right now. You want to dial into this number. This is a sizzle call. It does a great job. It'll do all the telling, selling, and explaining for you, so you do not have to. Okay, it's very powerful. It's very simple. 1-800-808-6794. Go ahead, dial in and listen from beginning to end. And just be prepared to be amazed, folks. Get excited. This is a great opportunity. Okay, a great opportunity, and great things are indeed happening. Here's the magic blue button again, folks, to get started. You'll complete a form and you'll mail it in with your payments to the company. And then upon receipt, they'll get you set up, they'll get you started, and they will ship out your complete marketing kit to you. And you can earn your startup back with just a few referrals. No special skills needed, no computer skills needed. Super simple. It really is. All you need to do is send postcards or flyers in your spare time. That's it. You don't do any selling. You'll do no selling at all. And you can remain completely 100% anonymous if you wish. Okay? The company does all the awesome follow-up and closes all the sales for you. This system right here, money order freedom, truly is your best shot at financial freedom in 2025. It really is. That's why you really want to take some time out and take a careful, close look. Review everything in its entirety and choose the best subscription that you believe is going to be the best for you in alignment with your goals in 2025 and beyond. Okay? 2 subscriptions, $5,000, $2,000. But this is the potential that exists within a high ticket program, a high ticket direct mail order program. Okay? This is exactly what you're getting. Okay, with the 5,000 2-year subscription, you can review everything here. You get 5,000 full color postcards, 5,000 lead labels, pill and stick lead labels, personalized capture page and website system. The staff is going to follow up and close your sales for you. You're going to also earn from ABM, which is American Bill Money. So you're going to have another additional full-blown income stream, the starter, the basic, and the deluxe for even more income potential to increase your monthly cash flow, weekly cash flow, monthly cash flow. So you get another business, okay? 30% discount on all postcard orders. This is going to pay you $2,000 for everybody you refer on the first level, $1,000 for second level referrals, and $1,000 for third level referrals. Really exciting and powerful system. Now the 1-year subscription is $2,000. This is going to give you everything that you see right here. 1,000 full color MOF postcards, 1,000 leads on peel and stick lead labels, personalized capture page and website system. Our staff follows up and closes your sales for you. You'll also be able to earn from the ABM starter and basic subscriptions. Get 30% discount on all postcard orders. It's going to pay you $1,000 for everybody that you refer on your first level, and $250 for all second level referrals, and $250 for all third level referrals. Very exciting, okay? My ID happens to be 5990. Make sure you see that. Make sure you review all the FAQs, frequently asked questions. Make sure you review and understand fully the terms and conditions. And there's the contact. That'll take you directly to the company, okay? Money order freedom from 2003 to 2025. I love this opportunity. I know you are too, because it is simple. It really is. And simple sales, folks. And there's great, great potential. People love high ticket. People are seeking out high ticket in record numbers these days because it takes less people. Okay? Less people. And people realize that. They understand it and they see the potential. Not to mention, it's very simple. This has the potential to literally set you free financially this very year and beyond, folks, okay? Whatever your situation is, this can help you. You're living paycheck to paycheck. This can help you to stop living paycheck to paycheck. It can help you to get unstuck. It can help you to pay down debt, pay off debt, okay? This has great, great potential, folks. You just have to commit and be consistent. I recommend you mail out every single week, as many as you can, okay, for the greatest, best results. And then just keep going. Keep scaling up. Keep the commissions coming in as they come in. Increase the size of your postcard mailings, okay? And this ultimately should put you in the ability to potentially increase your earnings because, okay, any type of marketing you do, folks, is a numbers game. The more of these you have going out, reaching and hitting households, folks, with interested people just like you, wanting to get started with their very own home-based business, something anybody can do, no special skills needed, no special education, no learning curve whatsoever. Super simple. Anybody can do this, okay? Anybody can do this. Great, great potential here. You pick the 1 year or the 2 year. You're going to see 5990. That's my MOF ID. You're going to click on the application you want. Let's just say you want to start with the 1 year. You'll fill this out. You'll see my ID right here, 5990. Put your name, address, city, state, zip, your cell phone, your home phone, your email. How did you hear about us? And then you just follow these instructions right here, folks. See, there they are. Send all 4 money orders or cashier's checks. You're going to do this right here, folks. You'll make these payable, okay? The first one to me, the second one here, the third here, and the fourth here in these increments, okay? 1,000, 250, 250, and 500, all right? That totals up to be $2,000, all right? And you're going to just follow the instructions. There's the mailing address right there, okay? We recommend using priority mail with signature confirmation. Just make sure that you write clear. Save your receipts. Insurance is optional. Any questions, you can call the company. You can also call me, 330-787-1795. You can text me. You can call me. My website is listed below in the description. Come through it. You know, you're going to be redirected to that page. You'll be able to come inside. There's even a short video. You're definitely going to want to watch the video and review everything. Here's all the terms and conditions. Make sure you fully understand and you're in agreement with all of these terms and conditions. And then you'll pick one of these right here, okay? Products and services provided. This is exactly what you're getting, okay? Right here, these bullets, and you're going to pick one, okay? If you wish to utilize this, all right? So there you go, folks. The choice is yours, okay? We send you 1,000 cards and 1,000 leads now, and you simply order more whenever you need them, okay? Or they'll do it all for you, okay? You won't have to lift a finger. We'll mail the 1,000 cards with the leads and the postage printed on them for an additional. You can contact the company. They'll give you the current prices because with the cost of postage, you know, things are always changing in the direct mail order industry. So if you want them to do it for an extra price, you can contact the company and they'll give you a quote, or you can just simply have everything sent directly to you and you can have fun mailing, folks. It's a wonderful opportunity. With that being said, I would love nothing more than to thank you for spending some time reviewing everything, and I'd love to welcome you to my Money Order Freedom team in advance. Okay, so you'll come right down here, folks, either blue button right here or this one right here, and pick your subscription. And there's an awesome video. You definitely want to watch this video, folks. It's phenomenal. Okay, it'll be on your website, and it's going to further do more telling, selling, and explaining for you, so you don't have to. And then don't forget to dial into the sizzle call. This is super exciting, folks. You're in the right place at the right time if you're seeking something simple. If you love high ticket, everybody loves high ticket because of the potential that exists. And you need less people, folks. And this is simple. This is something anybody can do. Yes, folks, if you can mail a postcard, you can do this too. So there's the beautiful postcards. This is the one I've been using. It works amazingly well. There's the 800 number, recorded overview on the back. It's also on the front. There's the website, and you'll have your own assigned MOF number, just like mine. Okay, so you'll get credit for your direct signups in Money Order Freedom. Any questions, text me or call me. My personal contact details are below. I'm in Ohio at 330-787-1795. Watch this video. My website's here, and I hope to see you soon on the inside. Welcome in advance to Money Order Freedom, aka MOF, as well as American Bill Money, ABM, because you'll also get membership into that when you join MOF. Thank you so much. See you soon on the inside. Bye-bye.